Hey everybody, in this video we're going to convert decimals into equivalent percentages, okay? So here's the simple rule you got to remember about this. Okay? Percent means out of 100, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply each one of these decimals by 100 to get our percentage, okay? So come over here and grab a marker or a pen, whatever you like, okay? And to multiply this decimal by 100, okay, we're going to move the decimal 2 spots to the right. Okay, so let's do that. So 1 and 2. So now the decimal is right here. Okay, and once you do that, all you do is you add a percent sign, and that's it. So it's going to be 45% for this one. And then for this decimal, 126 thousandths, okay, again, we're going to move the decimal 2 spots to the right. When we do that, we're multiplying by 100. All right, so here we go. So 1 spot and 2 spots. So now the decimal is there, okay? I'm going to add the percent sign, and that will give us 12.6%. So what you got to remember, everybody, is to go from a decimal to a percentage, you move the decimal 2 spots to the right.